Horse. Eagle. Dog. Snake. Flamingo. Pig. Wolf. Lion. Crow. Siamese. Siamese, a breed of domestic cat known for its striking coloration, characterized by a pale body with darker points on the ears, face, paws, and tail. What distinguishes Siamese cats from other animals is their captivating vocalization and social nature. Siamese cats are renowned for their ability to communicate vocally with a wide range of meows and purrs. Expressing their needs and desires in a distinctive way. Their affectionate and interactive personalities make them unique companions, serving as a reminder of how the feline world can bridge the gap between communication and companionship.